How to fix the Google TV app not working in your Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the Google TV app not working in your Android or iPhone. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Google TV application on your mobile device. But before that, go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your connection is stable, strong, and reliable as well. And you can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data. And also turn the flight mode or the airplane mode for 3 to 4 seconds to reset the network settings on your device. After that, you can also try restarting your entire device to fix the app problems. And then after, go to Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. Then search for Google TV application. And once you find it, if you see an update over there, you can go ahead and update it to its latest version. If not, you can just simply open the application and see if the problem is resolved. Now you can also tap and hold on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top and then scroll down and go to its storage and then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again, and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. And on battery, set it to optimized or unrestricted. Now, if the app still does not work, go ahead and uninstall it from your device. And on iPhone, you can go ahead and open your general and then go to iPhone, search for the specific application and then upload it from your device. So on Android, I'm just going to uninstall this application and reinstall it using your Play Store or App Store according to your device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.